How to send MailChimp email to one person. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send MailChimp email to one person only. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and click on the specific email that you wish to send. Now you can also, start the email from scratch and design a layout and everything, or use any template. For example, here I've clicked on templates. There are numerous templates that you can select from. So you can just click on any one specific template, and once you do so, you got to click on save and exit. So once you click on save and exit, you'll be able to see an interface that will look something like this in front of you. Now you can set name, you can send to. Now over here you got to click on edit recipients. Now here you can see that 2 subscribers have been added, so you can click on this and select the option that says pasted emails. So you got to paste the email of the person to who you wish to send this template to. Now you can just type down the email of the person, and if you wish to send to multiple persons, you can just type their emails down, and after that just click on OK, and now you're going to click on save. So once you click on save, you'll be able to see that over here it says there is one recipient, and you can see that there is one recipient and only the email will be sent to that one recipient. So just click on send, and once you click on send, email will be sent to that one recipient only. Now there are a couple of other ways that you can send the email to one person. So you're going to click on all journeys, and once you click on all journeys, you'll be able to see an option that would say create a customer journey. So you're going to click on choose pre-built journey, and once you click on that, you'll be able to see a couple of options. Now it will recommend you some journeys such as welcome new contacts, so that whenever someone subscribes, they'll be sent this email. That means you're sending that email to a specific person only, and celebrate sign up anniversary with your contacts. Only the person who is celebrating the ceremony will be able to receive the email. And then email tag customers, so whoever is tagged, the email will be sent to that specific customer only. So that was how you can send MailChimp emails to one person. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.